ria community auction nigo bono ria bekire hesei yogo chia kubwaterana ne committee ya lands commission herigo chia koene kia buna bakenya nkwenyorera bare obwene hase chindemero chiabo anene ase binyoro
hase gikarekyo yakorekana ime mucho Nairobi chia bisi chia lands commission nigo bairera chinjira baguchia kubwaterana boigo koene kia nigo baguchia kubwatia ekatiba na boigo amachiko ande onsi ye chindemero na gutumanya mulikito Linet Nyambane.
Committee ye chindemero ya National Lands Commission yabekire ese yogo chia kubwaterana neri shirika ritariere serikali ria Community Land Action Now ase abarai kurwa chinsemecho ibere baene kiri chinchira baguche kubwaterana eri kwenekia abakenya nkonyora bare obwene ase chindemero chiabo.
So practical implementation approach to this MOU, I want to emphasize that this is not merely a symbolic agreement. We have established clear roles and responsibilities, and NLC will convene technical working groups. As you could hear from the introductions, we have our technical team represented in this meeting, mobilize resources, provide data, and ensure processes feed into relevant policies.
Ase egeikaro gyokubeka chiseyecho imeyo mucho Nairobi chia bisi chia Lands Commission no muraibweri shirikerio Dr. Abubakar Lewamo nigo atebire okubwaterana okwo nigo kuguche kubwateri chiko korengana ne katiba.
You, of course, for us as clan, between clan and National Land Commission is a significant step in securing community land rights in Kenya. For indigenous peoples and local communities who represent land is identity, livelihood, and heritage. Yet community land has long remained the most vulnerable tenure system. So this partnership affirms our shared commitment to give practical effect to the Constitution and the Community Land Act. Through this collaboration, we still work together to monitor and protect community land rights, strengthen land rights monitoring, resolve disputes, and address historical land injustices. Clan brings the voice and trust of communities. The National Land Commission brings its constitutional mandate and leadership. Together we can turn policy into real protection on the ground.
Ababwatani abubaba kirori asokobekwa gwese yeyo nigo bairari bagerio na kumwakera umuraibweri shirikerio mbuya asokobwaterana okwo ase batebire nigo kuguche gutingia obokoreri ase esekte yo.
We are here to witness the signing, and in this process we want to thank Clan, Dr. Abubakar, thank you very much, and your team. You know very well that the money from government is not enough. Your support is very critical. More so especially on the issue of your representation on the ground. You do mobilize communities, you work with them.
If you look at goal number 17 of the SDGs, it talks about global collaborations. And if we need to achieve, that tells us that if we need to achieve much, then we must come together and work together. And so for the longest time or historically, the non-state actors have not been working very closely with the state actors, which I think has continued to to derail the work that we do, because most of the time we are trying to achieve the same goal and the same objective, but approaching it from very different dimensions, which takes more time, more resources, and at times sometimes we don't even end up achieving that. So it is really very honorable of the Commission through the CEO and the commissioners. Thank you so much for showing, the spirit, the true spirit of partnership, and even formalizing it and making it, very, very solid.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, erietaria ne Linet Nyambane.